Welcome to day 5 of our Navratri series. Today we head to the serene state of Kerala, where Navratri is celebrated with a beautiful blend of devotion and simplicity. For this special day, I will be dressing Barbie in Kerala's traditional Kasavu Pavada and blouse, complete with a Kasavu dupatta, an outfit that reflects the timeless elegance of Kerala's cultural heritage. The Kasavu sari, with its distinctive white and gold combination, is an iconic symbol of Kerala's traditional attire. Today, we're creating a Kasavu Pavada, blouse and dupatta, a style worn by young girls during festivals like Navratri. The simplicity and grace of the Kasavu fabric symbolize purity and festivity in Kerala. I will be using this Kasavu fabric with maroon and gold temple border. Next, I will make a simple yet elegant blouse with full gold Kasavu fabric. In Kerala, traditional blouses are minimalist yet regal, perfect for the understated elegance that Kasavu attire is known for. To complete the outfit, I will be adding a Kasavu dupatta, a beautiful flowing stole with the golden Kasavu border. Draped gracefully over the shoulder, the dupatta adds a sense of poise to the ensemble, making it perfect for Barbie's festive look. I will be using this striped Kasavu fabric to give a slight modern touch to this traditional outfit. Now, Barbie is dressed in her traditional Kasavu Pavada, blouse and dupatta. The gold border catches the light, giving her a look that's both simple and stunning, just like Kerala's timeless style during Navratri. The heart of Kerala Kasavu lies in its simplicity and the intricate craftsmanship that goes into making it. Traditionally woven from fine cotton, the Kasavu sari features a luxurious gold border called zari. The golden border, often made from real gold or silver threads, is what gives Kasavu its royal charm, making it perfect for festive occasions like weddings, Onam and Navratri. For more on this beautiful fabric, do watch my Onam special video. To finish the look, I will be making Kerala's signature gold jewelry. Simple yet elegant pieces that highlight the grace of the Kasavu attire. Navratri in Kerala is a time of quiet devotion and cultural celebration. Temples are beautifully decorated, and the air is filled with the sounds of devotional songs and traditional dance performances. One of the most important aspects of the festival is Saraswati Puja, where books and musical instruments are placed in front of the goddess Saraswati, symbolizing the importance of knowledge and learning. Now, let's get Barbie ready for the final look. Barbie is now ready to celebrate Navratri, Kerala style. From the Kasavu Pavada and blouse to the beautiful jasmine flowers in her hair, she embodies the simplicity and elegance of Kerala's rich cultural traditions. I hope you enjoyed this look as much as we loved creating it. Thank you for watching, and do join me tomorrow for day 6 of our Navratri series as we explore yet another region's vibrant textiles and traditions. Don't forget to subscribe to Mininita for more festive doll fashion creations. Until next time, let Barbie light up the Navratri celebrations in a stunning Kasavu outfit.